Hey guys, good evening and welcome back to my channel. Today I am kinda in the process of making a fajita kind of dinner. I haven't put it on yet and I'm not really gonna be able to show anything, but I figured that I would give you the small recipe that I personally make. It is not the fajita that everybody else is making, because it's basically a little bit of a thrown together thing with, well, the spice is basically. um I also don't use wraps myself, I only use rice. So um I'm currently in the process of cutting up 9 in total paprikas, or bell peppers if you will. I use 4 cayenne peppers and I take out the seeds for this. I don't with every recipe, but with this one I do, because I don't really like having the seeds between my teeth. Um, and then I use Santa Maria fajita. I'm sorry that it is backwards. I have not figured that out yet. But yeah, it is Santa Maria fajita mix. They have 2 different types of these. They have the normal one and they have the one without salt and sugar added. I would recommend the second one, which basically looks the same, but it has a blue 4-page and it's red on the sides. It's healthier, it's better, but unfortunately today that was sold out, so I had to take the original one without the well, that actually has the sugar and the salt in it, unfortunately. So again, I'm using 9 bell peppers, 4 cayenne peppers. I'm using about 6 to 8, depending on the size, onions, just normal white ones. I'm thinking about adding green beans. I haven't yet, but I might. I'm not 100% sure. But I just figured that I would share this recipe because it's pretty easy. And of course, the rice. I cook the rice separately. I don't make it all in one go because I am creating portions for multiple days. So I will be freezing in a lot of the portions. Oh, and for the oil or baking stuff, I use olive oil always because it's the healthiest. Please do not use vegetable oil. Vegetable oil is apparently actually very unhealthy. So yeah, please use olive oil for this if you're recreating this recipe. Um, so yeah, that's basically what. Also, I wanted to show you the finished results, but I'm not yet to the cooking stage. I'm still cutting up the ingredients, and it would be a video for tomorrow if I did. So yeah, but that's basically my own recipe. Well, not really my own recipe. I'm sure other people have made this or thrown something like this together. But I like it. It's spicy, it's nice when you cook rice, and yeah, I just use for 1 person rice today, so because it's just 1 meal for me, but then the rest will be frozen in. I'm not sure how many portions I will get out of it because it is supposed to become a little bit of a sauce, not really sauce, but kind of with the oil mixable with the rice. So yeah, so please keep in mind you're not just baking the chicken. Did I forget to mention chicken? I think that one was obvious, but I'm sorry. Anyways, so chicken, yes, I'm using 900 grams or 4 pieces of chicken fillet for this as well. Of course, you could use more or less depending on what you want. I personally would not be using anything else but chicken. However, I have heard from some that fajita can also be good with ground meat. Is that what you call it? You know, the mixed half and half meat that you use for meatballs and stuff like that. I think it's ground meat. Yeah, so you could be using that, but I have not tried that myself. So if you want to do that and you don't like it, please don't hold it against me, because it's not my fault. Yeah, so yeah, this is basically what I make of it. And I know that some people, or most people, when they make fajita, they use cream or yogurt or something in there. I don't, because it's just an added thing that doesn't need to be in there for me. It's not that I wouldn't like it, I've never done it like that. It's fine for me how it is. Like I said, I am thinking about adding green beans today, because it doesn't add as much flavor, but it does add vegetable, and it adds the added uh, vitamins, nutrients, what you want to call it. So yeah, maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. Um, the green beans are in cans, so even if I don't, they'll be good for quite a while. So I can use them in a different recipe. I'm not sure what I want to do with that today. Also something that's really good to use in this recipe is mice. I don't know what you would call that. I don't know if you call it mice as well. It's yeah, I'm not sure what you call it. It's the yellow corn cob. Is it corn cob? Is that what you call it? The yellow stuff, the little ones that you make popcorn of. Popcorn, right? Corn. Hello. My brain is starting to function today. Yeah. Anyway, I'm sorry for the awkwardness. I know it's corn, but yeah. So, yeah, if you take the corn off of a corn cob, or you just buy it separately loose, those are pretty good in this recipe as well. Especially if you've cooked them before, or if you get them canned in, like, out of water, they're already soaked, so they're also easier, I suppose. Anyway, you want to make sure that they're soft, and I don't know how well they cook if they're raw and fresh, and I don't know. So yeah, basically. Um, so that's my personal recipe. I don't know if somebody else has made this probably the way that I do, with rice instead of wraps as well. So yeah, that's my little fajita mix kind of dinner idea. I hope you like it. Yeah, I don't have a lot of ideas for today, if you couldn't guess. It's not that I don't want to, it's just that I've had a really long day and I just haven't had a lot of time to come up with video ideas. But also recently I've been having issues. I'm a little bit struggling with content ideas. It's just that most of the questions that I get are either via email, and some of them are in the comment section, but some are strange, explicit, weird. I don't mean to hate on anybody. I mean, I told you, you can ask me absolutely everything. That's fine. It doesn't mean that you'll get an answer. You can ask me anything. I'll be fine. I won't be offended. Might be a little bit weirded out apparently, but okay. So if you want to send me a question, a video idea, or anything at all, if you just need somebody to talk to, that's okay as well. I want you to know that that's safe and that I'm not somebody who will talk about that. If that's what you want. My email is, give me a moment because I do have 5 different emails. It is positivelyradiant@outlook.com. So yeah, you can send me any question, any kind of whatever you want to ask. If it's a small question, I might send you an email back and tell you that I will be putting it in a different video, in a Q&A video, that I'll be saving it. But otherwise, yeah. See, I did forget about something. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. Sorry that I forgot about that. I live in the Netherlands, so we don't actually celebrate it. But I know that it's important to some people, so I did want to say Happy St. Patrick's Day. Yeah. Oh, and Thursday. I will not be able to upload on Thursday. There will be a internet outage in my area due to road work. Again, they do that quite a bit around here. So yeah. So apologies in advance. I will put it in the description for those who do not make it to this mark. But yes, Thursday will not be a video unless I upload early. If I can, I will, but I have this schedule that I need to be keeping up, so I don't know if I'll be able to. I will try, I promise. Yeah, so anyway, one way or another, I will be back with another video tomorrow anyway. And for now, I'm gonna wish you all a very good night, a very good evening, morning, or day, whatever it may be for you. Sorry. Like I said, I'm having issues speaking. I don't know why, but it happens every time. It might have something to do with the fact that I'm in front of the camera. I'm starting to think that might be the case. And I have a cold. Probably also the case, but yeah. I love you. Thank you for being here. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night.